They are extremely pained by some negative, false campaign that has been started for a family against a family which is a victim and who has lost a young son or a young brother. The campaign relates to his mental health. Our FIR very clearly says, very clearly, and the FIR has been in the public domain right from the beginning. It is not as if the channels don't know what the FIR says. In spite of what has been said in the FIR, it has been carried that the family knew about his depression and his being bipolar, and still the same was concealed. The FIR very clearly says that Sushant, after Riya came into his life, started having mental problems. The FIR very clearly says that Riya was responsible for this problem. The FIR also very clearly says that because of that mental problem, he used to be. The FIR very clearly says that Riya was responsible for this problem. The FIR also very clearly says that because of that mental problem, he used to be anxious. The FIR also very clearly says that whatever treatment she was getting him done through various doctors was never disclosed, the files were never given to the family. Some of the prescriptions which were shared at some point of time just mentioned the tablets being taken and not the disease. It is in these circumstances that when Riya left Sushant and when he was anxious for his anxiety problem, the sister who was also taking some medicine for anxiety sent him a prescription. In spite of knowing all this, a campaign is being carried on relentlessly by some channels. I'm sure they would be here today also. I was told that I should confine my presser to only those channels who are carrying the story correctly and not others. I said this is not correct. Every channel has a right to say what it says, but it's the earnest appeal of the family that please don't increase the suffering of a bereaved family. Please don't add to the suffering by spreading canards about false accusation being made. There are suggestions being given in the media, again by some channels, that Sushant had a life insurance policy and the family would not get the money if he was declared to have died by suicide. And it is for this motive, it is being alleged, that the suicide theory was later on changed to abetment to suicide or murder. I must inform all of you that Sushant had no life insurance policy, and accordingly this canard that is also being spread against the family is highly defamatory, and if this continues, we will be forced to take action against those channels which continue to spread these canards. Through this press conference, I would also like to inform everyone that The father and the sisters have taken a conscious decision that no film, serial, book should be written about Sushant Singh Rajput without the express consent of the father, without the script being shown to the father, and without the family consented to the script or the book or the serial or the film. In spite of this, if anybody feels that he can go ahead and do something contrary to what I have just informed everybody, he or she will do at his own peril, and appropriate action will be taken to ensure that such an effort is properly legally thwarted. सुशांत सिंह की 3 बहनें आज मेरे से मिली और अपने बिहाफ पे भी और अपने पिता के बिहाफ पे भी बड़े दुख प्रकट किए उन लोगों ने कि मीडिया में एक कैंपेन चलाया जा रहा है उनकी फैमिली को बदनाम करने के लिए, सिर्फ इसलिए कि रिया एक अक्यूज्ड को इस एफर्ट से फायदा मिले। एफआईआर में बड़ा स्पष्ट लिखा है कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की मानसिक स्थिति बिल्कुल ठीक थी 2019 तक। एक आध पहले कोई घटना छोटी मोटी हुई होगी, लेकिन उससे कोई उनके मानसिक स्थिति में कोई फर्क नहीं था। 2019 में रिया उनके जिंदगी में आने के बाद उनकी मानसिक स्थिति खराब हुई, और मानसिक स्थिति जो खराब हुई उसमें बड़ा क्लियरली एफआईआर में लिखा है कि वो बहुत घबराए रहते थे। घबराना का मतलब अंग्रेजी में एंग्शियस होता है, एंग्जाइटी होता है। जो भी प्रिस्क्रिप्शन फैमिली के साथ शेयर किया गया था उसमें कोई कभी कैजुअल तरीके से उसमें कभी भी कोई बीमारी का नाम नहीं लिखा था। कुछ दवाइयां लिखी थी जो कि नॉर्मली प्रिस्क्रिप्शन में नहीं होता है। दवाई के साथ साथ बीमारी लिखा होता है, तब दवाई लिखा होता है। और 8 तारीख को जब वो बहुत घबराए हुए थे सुशांत सिंह राजपूत, तो उन्होंने अपने बहन को फोन किया। तो बहन जो खुद दवाई अपने घबराहट के लिए खाती थी, उसने वही दवाई उनको बोला कि खा लो। और जब उन्होंने कहा कि शायद बिना प्रिस्क्रिप्शन से नहीं मिलेगा, तो उन्होंने ओरल कंसल्टेशन करके उनको प्रिस्क्रिप्शन दिलवाया। इसके बावजूद ये एफआईआर पब्लिक डोमेन में शुरू से है।
Presenting B News app available on Google Play and App Store. Download it now.